how you can lock group in Telegram. Now let's start. First things first, open up your Telegram. Now after you've opened your Telegram, just open up the group chat that you want to lock. Now after you open it up, just tap on its name on the top and this page should open up right here. Now on this, you will have to tap on edit. Tap on edit, and after you tap on edit, you will get to the section where you can edit the settings of this group. So right there, you will see the permissions option. Tap on permissions, and under permissions, you will see what the members of this group can do. So right there, those are the permissions that each member have. So right here, you can see under send media, there are 9 of those permissions and the remaining 4 other permissions. Now what we'll have to do to lock this group is just make sure that you toggle these buttons off, and after you do that, you will see that altogether 13 permissions have been blocked. That is, now as you can see right here under permissions, there is 0 by 13 permissions enabled. That means that no one in this group will be able to send messages, send media, add members, pin messages, or change group info. That is like basically just locking this group. So yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you lock a group in Telegram. And thank you for watching, guys. If you are new to this channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.